guys, and thank you for tuning into the channel. I know we haven't done this in a while, but we got an unboxing we're gonna do. Usually we do phones, but you know what? Since I felt like getting all three colors for the new beatsstudiobuds, we're gonna do an unboxing on these things. And on top of it, guys, we're gonna compare them to, let's see here, I got these with me. If this corresponds, I got my Gen 2 wireless chargings. I got the Samsung Buds, as you can see right there. I got the Pros, the new Pros. And I do got my OnePlus headphones too that I'm gonna go grab from the car real quick. And we're gonna compare all these headphones. We're gonna connect them with Android and iOS, and we're gonna see connection, how quick they are, and everything. But first, let me go a little detailed rundown on the specs on these bad boys. They do have noise cancellation, and you can control the noise. It has dynamic block unwanted external noise active, so you can put it in transparency mode so you can hear everything going around the world, or you can just block it all out. And it's supposed to have the the Beats premium sound, so you should be able to hear the acoustics really good, especially if you like listening to like what is it, the Beatles, stuff like that. You'll be able to hear the acoustics really well. And they do have 8 hours of listening time, and combined with the charging, with the charger case, is 24 hours of combined use that you can do with it. And it takes 5 minutes to give you 1 hour of playback when the battery is low. So that's a good thing. And like I said, it's compatible with Apple, of course, and Android. But with Android, you got to download the Beats app to basically make all the little extra hidden features work. And of course, let's see here, they are IPX4 rated, so they're sweat and water resistant buds. It says here that they weigh about 5 grams, each bud, and 48 grams total with the case. Connectivity is a one simple touch for both Apple and Android devices. You can activate Siri hands-free by saying the keyword. And then it has the class 1 Bluetooth for extended range and fewer signal dropouts, which is always good. And it has the high quality call performance, voice assistant interaction with dual beamforming mics. And it's USB-C, guys. And it in the case, it comes with, let's see here. So it says here it comes with the small, medium, large buds. Comes with a USB-C cable, your warranty card, your quick starting guide. And the controls, it says there you can do single multi-function button per side, on-device controls for music, calls, voice assistant, built-in microphone with wind reduction for elevated voice clarity. Alright guys, so let me go grab the OnePlus buds, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. As you can see, we got the OnePlus buds too. I brought in the OnePlus 9 Pro just so we have it. Brought the S21 Ultra, so we got this too. We got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so we're gonna compare these buds. We're gonna see how they sync up, the Pros, how everything is. Let's see, what color should we open up? Damn. What color? You know what? I am feeling the reds or the blacks, because whites, I already got too many whites. So damn, this is hard. Yeah, we're gonna do the reds because we always got black and white. Let's do reds. All right, so you gotta pull this little. They got it set up. All you gotta do is pull this little tab right here. Look at that. It's easy, man. Let's see how easy they did it. Oh man, look at that. Jesus, that's easy. Alright, so there you go. Let's get it out of the box. Alright, let's see. Okay, so that's empty. Alright, so we got a little cable right here, and of course this tells you right here the same thing I told you about the specs. 5 minutes equals up to 1 hour of music, USB-C to C. Then here we got buds. Got the air-fitted buds. Let's see. Oh, here's some more inserts. maybe for people who have, you know, different size ears, the small and the larger. So I guess the mediums are put on by default. All right, so that's good to know. Okay. Oh, that went to the floor real quick. Sorry, guys. I forgot my tripod in my other car, so I don't have that with me. So we got the cable. We got try it for free, Apple Music. So I guess you get a, I'm not gonna put the code out, but you get a code. You get 3 free months of Apple Music subscription. Because since I'm gonna be giving away some of these buds, I don't want to give out the code, depending which color I'm gonna give out. So this gives you a little detail, a little booklet about charging, cargo, you know, different languages, pairing to the Android. You know, it gives you all your detailed situations. Then you get to your your little beat sticker. And you get your little safety and handling BS and whatever that is, and yeah, that's literally about it when it comes to this stuff. So let's put this stuff here to the side. Then we get the packaging right here. You know, so let's see if we can get this. Oh, and there they go. And they go. To pair, keep earbuds in case with lid open. Okay, we got you. No problem. So let's put that aside. So this is what they look like, guys. So, oh yeah, they already got dirty. Damn. So this case is pretty big. So let's compare it to. Here, let me take out the case. Let me take these out of the case. Shout out to Lauren Chanel 808 live. You know, he hooked me up with this case, the Pepsi case. You know so much I love the Pepsi, so. You know, hooked it up. So compared to a regular iPod, the AirPod Pros, almost the same size, guys. The Beats are a little bit taller and wider, but see here, we can put it side by side comparison a little bit, but it's not that much off. And of course, the benefits is USB-C. You know, I can't go wrong with USB-C at all. So let's start with the iPhone real quick, because we already know this is gonna pair real quick. So let's see here. Sorry guys, I got a lot of apps in here. Yep. Yes sir. Alright, so we're gonna turn on Bluetooth. And let's see here. Open it up. Light turns red. And there we go, the famous Apple Simple Connect. Connect. There we go. Oh no, that's an email. Sorry about that. I thought that was something that come up with this. Alright, so do we get any extra options? Let's see here. So we do. We get the noise cancellation, off, transparency. So it's basically the same thing as the regular Pods Pro. So we got left, you press it, noise control, or you can do the Siri. Okay. Alright, so let's pull out one of the buds here. Let's see, do they turn on and off? Yep, they turn on and off just like the regular ones. Beautiful. So let's pull one out of the box or out of the case. Wow. And this is how they look, guys. Really small, but good stuff. So this is supposed to be the left one, right? So let's see here. Let's put it on real quick. Let's put this bad boy on. And with the case, with the bud that it already comes with, it's actually pretty comfortable, guys. Pretty damn comfortable. All right, now we're back here. So they're pretty comfortable, guys. Let's see here. I think there's music already playing. Yup. So let me try. Damn, but they're not that loud though. Fuck, man. See, I'm partially deaf, so to me that matters a lot, the volume range on a headphone. Like that's why I mainly use these, the Gen 2 wireless charging AirPods because these are honestly really loud. And the only other bud that I found that's really loud to that is the OnePlus Z buds. These are amazing. Don't get me wrong, like these sound clear, really clear, but for me, the volume range is not on point. Okay, so if I turn off sound check, then it gets a little better. See, Dolby Atmos, automatic, audio quality. We got the high res. Okay, so let me see. Do we get the feature to share? Ooh, no sharing of the audio, guys. You know how with AirPods you can share with the other one? So like, here, let me take this bud out real quick. So, oh wow, it still continues to play the music. So when you take it off, it still continues to play the music. Wow, I don't know, guys. I don't. Here, let's put it away. Let's put it away in the charger. Hold on. How the hell do you do these? Oh, let's see here. I'm sorry, guys. I should have had my tripod with me. Okay, so now the music pauses. But okay, so right now I got one of my earbuds on me. Okay, so I got one of these on. Now I'm gonna put on the Pro, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about with this shared audio. So I can share the audio. Bring another pair. Okay, but we do have both pairs on us. There you go. Now we're sharing both AirPods. So now I got two different types of AirPods in my ear, and I'm listening to music based on both of them. As you can see, AirPod Pro, AirPod second gens, and I'm listening to the music. I can hear it. This one's louder than the Pros. And then if I want to, I can control the audio on each one separately. So I could turn this one down, and it'll turn down and all that. So it's missing that. I mean, the quality on the audio does sound good. I'm not going to deny it. It's really clear on these buds, especially the acoustics, because that's why I was playing this song, the Bruno Mars Leave the Door Open, because it has like acoustics, it has, you know, treble, bass. It sounds good, but the turnoffs are already the audio. When you take it off your ear, it still continues to play. The noise cancellation is on point, I won't deny it. And then another one, you can't share the audio with your other buds just like you can. This is being made by Apple now. So now let's try to pair it into a Samsung real quick, and let's see how much different this is going to be. So let's see here. So Beats, let's see here, Beats. Well, it would help if I spelt it right? Beats app. Here we go. Yeah, it would help if I did spell it right the first time. But let me get this set up and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I got the app powered on. So it says power on, hold button to connect. So let's see here. So let's do this. Let's hold it, and it should pop up the message right here. Come on, message, pop up. Okay, so they made it hard. So let's just go to damn Bluetooth and just do it that way. Pair. There we go, paired. Okay, so save. I'm sorry, guys. I do not want my okay. Device is ready, set up. Okay, so it gives you all this. Rename, explore, tap, hold. Okay, so let's go transparency. Now let's put it in here. Let's see how it sounds with the Android codec real quick. So let's see here. We're gonna do a little YouTube music real quick. So let's see here. Oh yeah, this you can do the transparency, noise cancellation. Yep. Transparency. See, on the Android it sounds louder. It's weird. Yeah, it sounds louder on the Android. These are more Android based, I think. They sound really good on the Android. Here, let me try putting both of them on real quick. Oh yeah, they sound really loud. Noise cancel. Transparency, yeah. They sound really good on the Android. But compared to the OnePlus, the Samsungs, these, look, I'm gonna show you guys. They're still here. You know what these are? Trash. They can stay in there too. I'm not even gonna get them out. So those are trash. But other than that, these are not bad for Android, guys. I mean, it all depends, special preference, you know. I mean, if you need them to be really loud, I recommend the version 2s or the OnePlus Z Buds. These two are great, headsets for if you need loudness. But if you need more clarity, more bass, I would go with the OnePlus Z Buds. These have clarity for acoustics and everything, as I can tell right now with how it sounds. But there's still a piece missing, you know. And if you're an iPhone person and you need them to be loud, then these are definitely not the ones for you. But if you don't need them to be that loud, you don't have hearing issues like I do, then these will be great for even the iPhone. But other than that, guys, that's it, man. This is all the headphone comparison, you know. Like these, like I said, these sound great. The Z's sound great. They have great bass, great everything. Noise cancellation is good on these too. The Beats have great noise cancellation, great sound. They're only really loud on the Android though versus the iPhone, at least for me. Other than that, that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in for the unboxing on this. Of course, we're going to be giving one of these pairs away when we get to 2,000 subscribers, so just keep paying attention. There'll be keywords on the videos and everything. That's how we're going to do it. I'm not going to make a dedicated video for it. We're just going to start giving hints and videos, so that'll let me know if you're watching the content or not and keeping tabs. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.